Depending on what your wood turning project is, you're going to need a block of wood to turn, you're going to need turning tools, sandpaper, possibly a saw, and a drill. Staying safe is really important. Make sure you have a face shield and a dust mask. First thing you need to do is find the center of your block of wood, drill a pilot hole, mount it onto your lathe, move your tool rest over, test it to make sure that it's not going to bang into the tool rest, and you're ready to turn. I'm going to start with my roughing gouge to knock the corners off of this and turn my block into a cylinder. While I'm turning here, you see me pausing, checking for flat spots so I know how much more wood I need to take off to turn my blank into a cylinder. Now that my bowl blank is a cylinder, coming back in here with my scraper, and I'm gonna put in the final shape, or close to the final shape, with my scraper. Now that I've got the outside of my bowl roughed in, I'm gonna find the center of the bottom of my bowl, mark it here with a pencil, come in with a parting tool to cut in the opening where I'm gonna mount it when I flip my bowl around. I'm going to mount it to my 4-jaw chuck. Now my bowl blank is ready to flip around and to mount on the chuck so I can work on the inside of my bowl. One of the most important things is having sharp tools. So every other video clip in this video has been sped up, but you gotta keep the sparks in slow motion. Alright, now that my scraper is nice and sharp, time to work on the inside of the bowl. Starting at the inside where the wood is spinning really slowly and work my way out to the outside. Just taking off a little bit of wood as we go, just so I can get that final shape worked in. Got to clean up my workspace a little bit because it's time to sand. I got to get that wood nice and smooth and ready for finishing. For this bowl, I'm going to use a food safe finish. That way I can use my bowl for snacks or anything else that I would like. I'm putting 3 coats of the finish on and using steel wool in between each coat. Alright, project's all done. Here's what we ended up with. Nice, simple bowl, just a little bit of a lip there to make it easier to hold. Check out the nice grain on the inside. Nice grain on the outside here. You can see the rings of the tree. All I have left to do is just sign the bottom and it's done. Thanks for watching, everybody.